Hi, in this tutorial we'll view how to add a Max Pro NVR recorder in WIN-PAK. Recorders are devices used for streaming video and recording video from surveillance cameras, for example, analog cameras and IP-based digital cameras. Events are predefined actions. Recorders have predefined events by default, and an alarm is triggered whenever an event is generated. For example, when a recorder is disconnected from the network, an event "recorder disconnected" is generated. To add a recorder, please choose Configuration, Device, Device Map. The device window should appear. Now, right-click in Device folder and choose Add Recorder. The Video Management Server Recorder Configuration dialog box for the selected server should appear. Enter the recorder details under General Settings, and now in the device name box, type a name for the recorder. In the description box, type a description for the recorder. In the Recorder Type drop-down list, select the recorder. Device settings for the selected recorder will now appear. Max Pro NVR. In the unit address box, type the numeric IP address or the host name of the Max Pro NVR recorder. Click Ping to verify the connection. The field appears in green if the IP address or the host name is valid. Select the Check for duplicate IP address device name to check the availability of the host name. In the site port box, the port number appears by default. In the username box, type the username to access the recorder. In the password box, type the assigned password for the user. For more information and videos, please visit our website honeywelldiscovertraining.com.